Hello, today we're going to have a look at these two Sony Premium Minidiscs. This one was the first one which I bought as unwrapped or unopened nearly a year ago now, and these ones were ones that appeared recently in one of the boxes I ordered from eBay as well. I was wondering what the difference is. They both are 74 minutes. Both Sony, both premium, and both have this shock absorbing mechanism on them. And looking at the packaging, they've got pretty much the same graphics on them, all the same text. And one thing I did notice is the product code on them is exactly the same as well. So it makes me think that these are the same mini discs inside, just packaged in a slightly different way. I prefer this one. I think it looks much more premium than this one, and I'm still yet to figure out what the difference between a standard mini disc and a premium mini disc is. If you know, of course, leave a message in the comments please. So let's have a close look at the packaging. There's not much else on the front. You can pause the video if you want, have a good look at the back, see if I can get that without the reflection of the light. Hopefully you're hearing me. I'm changed the way I'm doing my audio today, see if that's any better. So the top of the mini disc package is, one is capitals, one is lowercase. Not much difference there, but what I did notice is this one, that one there, has that code on it, and it also has printed in Japan. The brown coloured one doesn't have any such printing on it, so we don't know where. Maybe it was just the packaging that was printed in Japan, but I suspect Sony manufactured all of their discs in Japan anyway. So let's get on with opening them up. Let's try this one first. I'm going to actually open this one because this one's got a tear in the corner, but otherwise it's exactly the same disc. Now this, I think, might be cheaper packaging. I don't really know. Maybe they were for different markets. One was for the European market and one was for the Japanese market. So look at the inlay card. Not the inlay card, these stickers. Now there's a code on there. I wonder if that code is the same. No, slight difference in the code. Sorry about the edit. One of the neighbour's dogs has been barking. I'm just going to plough through, even if the dog barks now. So I'm not really that keen on this design of mini disc. Sony just seems to be going with what I think is a premium design, but it looks very 70s to me, very late 70s. Smoked glass and all that sort of stuff. I can't read that. It's very hard to read that one, but that's just a reference number. Interestingly, that reminds me of this one which I opened in the previous video from Maxell. Oh, it wasn't that one, it was a sharp one. Let me try and find it. Yeah, it was this sharp one, which was also the same as the W.H. Smith one. It has a little window there. I don't know what that's for. A little notch cut out. I'll have a look at my mini disc player later on, see if I can figure out why that's there. Anyway, so here's the disc. There's the front. There's the back. This is sort of turned into, a YouTube channel for documenting mini discs, and for me trying to figure out why or who produced them and who designed them and what have you. So the case, again, I don't like the cases for these Sony ones. They're just boring, but they were the inventor of the brand and they were seen as the premium, or probably still are, seen as a premium manufacturer of electrical products. So they don't really have to try so hard when you've got a good name. But, let's compare these two discs. The Sony one was probably more expensive, I don't know, and the Maxell one probably cheaper, but to me that Maxell one is much more attractive. And of course the recordings are digital, so there'll be no difference at all in the recording. And the shock absorbing mechanism, I'm not sure, it sounds a bit more solid, but okay, so let's move on and unwrap the other one. So that's that one there. No, that's that one there. Now we already know that the door is going to be different between these two, so let's leave that on the box and let's get on with unwrapping this one. Okay, so we've got different stickers. So I've got a case, trying to get these muddled up. So the case I think looks the same. Muddled up already. I think they're exactly the same. One does look slightly lighter than the other one. Let's have a look at the mini discs themselves. So that's that one there, the blue one. Let's move these up. There we go. So I like that one. That one looks even older than that one. I've got a few of those in my collection, used ones already. So so that door is embossed. That one's just printed on there. There's no difference to, you can't really see it very easily because that one's not a window you can see through. So that looks the same though. These are different. There's a different marking on that one. Yeah, different discs. They might have been produced in a different place. That I think is the one I see most of second hand on eBay. But I actually prefer that one. I'd much rather have that one in my collection than that one. So if you know anything about these, where they were produced or where they were sold or during what periods they were sold, please let me know. Now the weird thing is, coming back to this again, they both got the same product code. Now normally a different product would have a different product code, and clearly these are different products. The disc inside is probably the same, but the case that it stays in is different. So if you've got any information, let me know. Give us a like, please. Subscribe if you haven't already. There'll be more videos for mini discs coming, and eventually I'll be doing some other tech as well. So thanks very much.